This is the Singer model 15-88, I believe. Has the killer Greek and Egyptian style graphics on it. This one has been converted to electric use, so it does have a light on the back. A motor's been added, obviously. It will need to have new belts, but I can just give you an idea of the fact that it does work. And I will do that now. So there's actually two different belts on this model. And I don't know. One that drives the main pulley, and then this extra belt right here, which I believe is sufficient, the larger one, to drive this assembly right here. I have no idea what this is for, other than has something to do with the thread bobbin or thread spool or something. I couldn't tell you, to be honest. But anyways, we'll get her going here, and I'll see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start it by hand here. So, I mean, the motor sounds really strong. Whatever this feature is, it seems to be working. Again, it's going to need some belts. The light works, of course. The machine itself sounds reasonably quiet, but I'm sure that it, could use a cleaning and lubrication for sure. So, that's it. Thanks.